Beyond samyama, the seedless state tadpi bahindya nirbijasya. Even these are considered external in relation to nirbhya samadhi, seedless concentration. Tadpi antanya sadhantriyam nirvigyapte yogsya bahindya kasmat tadbhave bhavadaniti. Even the three practices, dharna, dhyan, and samadhi, which were previously described as intimate, are still external when considered in relation to nirbija samadhi. True seedlessness is attained only when even these three dissolve completely. Nirodha parinama, the state of restraint and its transformation. Vyutthan nirodh sanskaryor vibhav pradurbhava nirodhakshan chitanvayo nirodha parinama 3.9. The suppression of the latent impressions, sanskara, of fluctuation, vyutthana, and the emergence of the latent impressions of an arrested state, nirodha, occurring at every moment within the same mind during its state of blankness, is known as nirodha parinama, the transformation into restraint. Characteristics of latent impressions. Vyutthan sanskara chittadharma. The latent impressions, sanskara, of fluctuation, vyartiti, are inherent characteristics of the mind, chitta. They do not belong to the nature of cognition, janana. Therefore, even when cognition ceases, these impressions do not disappear. Similarly, nirodh sanskarapi chittadharma. The latent impressions of the restrained state of mind, nirodha sanskara, are also characteristics of the mind. Their emergence and dissolution signify the attenuation of the latent impressions of fluctuation and the accumulation of those of restraint, respectively, manifesting within a mind that is in a restrained state. Transformation of the mind. Tadekasya chitsya pratikshan midam sanskaranyatatvam nirodhaparinama. This continual transformation of latent impressions, occurring every moment within the same mind, is called nirodhaparinama, the mutation into the restrained state. Tada sanskarshesha chittamiti nirodhsamadho vyakhyatam. At that stage, the mind exists solely as a residue of subliminal impressions, as explained in Nirodha Samadhi. Prashantchita, the fruit of Nirodh Chit. Tasya prashantvahita sanskarat. 3.10. Continuity of the tranquil mind in an arrested state is ensured by its latent impressions. Nirodhsanskarabhyas patvapeksha prashantvahita chitsya bhavati. From the latent impressions of the arrested state of the mind, i.e., when proficiency is acquired in the art of keeping the mind in an arrested state, the mind attains a continuous undisturbed state. When the impression of the arrested state gets feeble, it is overcome by the latent impression of the manifest state, i.e., a state of fluctuation ensues. Prashantvahita, to absence of emergence of cognition, when no modification is noticeable. Arrested state is the tranquil state of the mind. Though latent impressions of that state, tranquility becomes continuous. Tranquility equals complete cessation of fluctuations.